testing my dog's intelligence with funny questions. What does a bunny do? What does a lion do? What does a possum do? Free, talk shit, twirl, spin, all clear, serious now? Do you want a treat? What if it's from Trump? What if it's from Voldemort? What if it's from Mom? Is that good? He gets so impatient. His reaction is to look away, haha, smile. There you are. Beep, 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 workers' comp. Does that make you feel better? Good job. Smash that like button and subscribe. If you didn't subscribe, maybe you don't love your pet. Wait till you see his reactions. Here's the video. This dog is a genius. He understands everything. He is actually a pet of Albert Einstein.